cameras at my house. So you're gonna see the funniest part later. Burn! I'm freezing already. What happened? I think the air outside is so hot. I mean, it's so cold that I got cold. Later, when I eat the spicy part, you'll see, you know.
Ano ka ng iPad mo doon kay...
Good please. Say,
Kaya,
excuse me.
ano mo yung iPad
Excuse
mo
me.
tapos mag-video kayo forwarding ka namin mo.
Wait, guys, I'm just gonna get my iPad to video us. Thank you. Now remember to your mom can text my mom.
Mamaya na!
Okay. Wait, where's your mom? She's at work. Sorry, guys. That was an accident. Yuna! That's so weird. Sorry. It's okay, Yuna. Every time I eat, I just remember I have a food mat, but it can't fit the table. Oh, it's crunchy! Good job!
Nagalan dyan kaya ako namala. Oy, tingin. Kayong dalawa. Picturean pa kayo.
Can you pass me my water? I think I didn't bite my rice. Put it together. Okay, maybe like that.
O baka manalo ako sa loto. Bibili ako mansion para sa inyong dalawa.
You know, we're having swimming down for you. How? How? Buddy boom, 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 buddy boom. My work fell. Is it dirty?
No, may palitan natin.
We're gonna have to change it. I'm sorry.
Sige na.
You know, look.
Kaya, kaya na.
Freya, your water. Okay. You know, we swap waters. This is yours. This one's mine. We accidentally got exchanged in water. We almost drank it.
Alam mo, ikaw bunga nga, ano bunga nga. Kumain ka na, oh. See you na, oh. Kumakain na, oh. Slice ko, ha?
Hindi na po. Marunong na ako po. Minions! Tonight, we will steal the moon. Yun na. Tonight, we will steal the moon. Oh, sorry guys. We were just acting like Gru from Minions.
Tawa-tawa si mami niya. Happy na naman daw po si Freya.
No, you're Nido. No, my Nido. No, my
Bored na sa
Nido.
bahay.
Mira, look.
Saan niyo
Mira,
yung magdalaw?
Mira, look. I can say one Japanese word. I need to. Arigato gozaimasu. Sayonara.
Butika?
I'm gonna have the gravy.
Tapos,
Anything.
sa
Oh.
butika, kabilang yan.
Bali, parang
No.
ano yung kay mama.
Who will take the gravy? I don't really like.
Gravy? Ayan, gravy, oh. Hindi mo ito.
Papa, my brother all the time when we order, he like just spreads the gravy all over his chicken. Maybe we should give it to him. No thanks. He might say, Dessert gravy. Ulit.
Sino mas magandang? Sino na ang si Freya?
Can we swap chairs? What?
Kain muna kayo, kain.
You know, your fries. You can dip them in the gravy.
Freya, wala ka gana kumain kung excited ka masyado kay ano, si Luna ubos na oh. Ikaw hindi pa oh.
Contest ba to?
Hindi contest. Pinapakain na lang, hindi yan contest.
Open ka?
Yun na! I love it. Yun na! That's gross! Guys, you need to cook the food, guys. I don't know why. Now she's drinking the juice while eating a fry. Now a little spicy. No, this can happen.
Ano yan eh, si Freya sa anghang.
Like it.
Yung ano, yung noodles na kare. Ano yun? Gusto yun.
A little spicy.
Yung ganito biya.
Beg your partner, please. Beg your
Oh,
partner,
hindi
please.
ko nga.
I said partner. Partner. Eating. I like the sauce. Eating. I like the sauce. Stretch. Stretch. Oh my goodness, it's cracked. My finger cracked. You know, when I always don't get a little sauce, I always just spread. Spread. Oh, not again. You did this at the pool, now you're doing it at home.
Nakakaya daw, ikaw pa nabili ng merienda.
Hindi ba pala? Ano, dami ko na kuha ng uniform. Magkano din yan pag binili.
Wala, nakakaya.
I'm doing it again. Guys, I'm gonna get sick. Mila, please stop doing that in front of me. Okay. Don't tell me I'm gonna do it again. Please do not do that in front of me, okay? Don't tell me it was okay. There. I think I added too much sauce on top
Huwag
of
na dyan,
this.
kabi.
Hindi ko kasi sila.
It will be super spicy.
Live yan?
Hindi naman.
Oh.
Hindi naman sila.
Salita tayo ng salita dito.
Like green light.
Uy, ikaw hindi mo salita na ano pala yan. Yan, nakalimutan ko. Kala ko wala.
The top of my tongue is so spicy. Let's try extreme spicy. We're gonna have a super extreme spicy for me now. Let's see what's gonna happen. Or maybe a little bit of drama's gonna happen. Let's see. What am I gonna do? Water.
Kasi bye-bye na.
province mo eh? Quezon. Your Ilocano. Ang
You know what's your
Tagalog.
address?
Baba.
Ah,
Sakong.
You know, Mom.
ah,
Say
yung asawa mo.
what is my address?
Manila lang pala.
Ano yun?
What is my address?
Yan ang pamasilis.
What? CNM Pharmacy. Okay. Mine's black to black to black. I mean black to black to black to black.
Ano? Saan ka nakatira? Ha? Saan ka nakatira? Mariana mo?
Mariano Center po. Black 2, black 21.
Sige, yung natanongin